Hey everybody, Caden back in another video, and I'm right where I left off in the last episode, or part I should say. And I'm about to do the uploading to the Technic website for my Modpack. So, right now I'm going to go to Technic at techpack.net. So I want, I got a robot. And about the email addresses. You guys want to use them to message me? Go right ahead, because I don't ever check my email. When I get a little more popular on YouTube, I might start checking it, Viewers don't want to send me stuff. So, I'm going to click here. Create a mod pack. Go Minecraft. Pick your Minecraft first. Mine's 1.12.2. Name this Guns and Bunker Fun. I'll put a link to download this mod pack in the description. I agree to the mod pack terms. You can read this if you want. I've read them a couple times. It's just, the permissions you have to accept and what the technology can do if something violates a term of service or something. Oh. Short description. For my channel. There we go. I'm going to edit mod pack. So now where's mod pack location? You go to Dropbox. You're going to click share and copy link. Now this Dropbox used to say 1. I don't know if I have settings set, or mine will say 0 now. But you'd have to change the 0 to a 1 when you put it in here. So it might have been copied already. So Control P. I copied the link. It's saying my roleplay, blah blah blah. Hit the download 0. Actually, crap. I'm gonna pause recording quick and be right back. Okay guys, so I was actually wrong. This is supposed to be 1 because 0 typically I was confused about. I thought about 0 typically means no, and a lot of times 1 means yes, because 0 stands for none, like no kind of stuff. So you can, like, if you have like a mod pack with a server and you're gonna have to put a download for a server. So if you have a pre-set up server for the mod pack, I'll put that in when I make the server. So mod pack website. So if you have like a Minecraft website or something made for a mod pack that's made for a server, or even just like a website for your mod pack explaining what a wiki maybe, or a Discord server ID. If you don't know what Discord is, it's kind of a gaming chat thing. It has voice chats, stuff like that. So when you're done with that, you can click update mod pack. And if you don't like your mod pack anymore, you click delete mod pack. So I go back down. If you click delete mod pack, that will actually get rid of the mod pack. So if you can only have up to 5 mod packs per Technic Launcher account. Once you get to use solder, you can like import your solder links and stuff like that. So I think my mod pack, I have a solder mod pack. It does not work right now. Uh, this is the one. Yeah, my first solder pack I've done enjoy, which I thought you could just do it, but we actually have to do is when you use solder, you have to have the thing downloaded to a Linux machine, and your Linux machine has to be on and connected to the internet 24/7 for the mod pack to be up, because the Linux machine pretty much like serves mod pack to people. So if that machine isn't up, the mod pack is not downloadable because the files almost get like stored on your computer kind of stuff, and it downloads it straight from your computer. So anyways, if you guys want, I'm gonna go to my mod packs again. Put this in here. Click install this mod pack. When I set up the server, I may make a custom world that'll import into it, which is a bunker world. So I'm gonna copy that link. It's also if like you guys made your mod pack a hidden pack, you'd have to go into your own account, copy this link, and give it to your friends. If they put this link into the Technic launcher under the search bar, it'll bring up the mod pack exactly. So if it's a hidden mod pack, it's how your friends can get it. You don't want anyone else getting a hold of the mod pack. So 0 downloads, 0 runs. No one's looked at it yet. But anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you want to search up the name, you'll have to put in like the entire name for it to show up. Because a lot of non-popular mod packs don't show up unless you put in the full name. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. I will see you all next time. Bye. Maybe.